Member of Parliament Mandera East.
Akiaria mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igitiri wa bururi Mumbunge murugamiriri wa ATUMIA kaunti-ini ya Nairobi Esther Passaris augite kumana na ngero iria ikoretwo igitafanio hindi ya mirurungano hari na bata wa kugathika watho wa gutabarira uria mirurungano iritafanagio makiria niguo kugitira cikaro cia bata ta thingira wa IREGI bunge na magoti.
I don't want people to think that it's easy for you to just wake up in the morning and call the entire population to march into State House, to march into Parliament. I think we're in a dangerous space. So whatever we have to do, we have to get our country back to understanding that you're right for whatever it is you're fighting, that you have a right to picket and demonstrate, cannot be done when it negates the rights of others.
Niongereire kuga ona gutuika ni kihoto kia mukenya wothe kururungana na gutetia thirikari mirurungano ya ica ikuhi ni cenjetie na igatuika gitumiro kia ekinai undu uria utigite makiri ma Kenya magitara hathara thutha wa indo ciao kuborwo nacio wabici ngurani cia thirikari ikamurio mwaki.
But what we're seeing today is absolute disorder and a pattern that is happening all over the country. You have shops looted in almost every county. You have the police overwhelmed. You have no order of how the demonstration will be and no one to hold to account.
Riu ni ugite mirurungano eno engiaga kuramatwo kiwatho yahota gutobokereria bururi mutondo-ini wa ngui na ngahiha.
What's happening right now is total anarchy. And I'm just thinking that we've lost another 17 lives on the 25th. Are we going to have the same situation come 25th next year, where we lose more lives and we continue losing more lives?
Mutaratara uyu ukite riria huri biashara mataoni-ini matiganite na muno makiria taoni-ini ya Nairobi maratara hathara thutha wa matuka mao kuiywo hindi ya mururungano wa kiumia kihituku kuria ceceni itiganite cia borithi na wabici cia thirikari ona cio cia mundirio mwaki ni arurungani.
Thank you so much.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.